Now that we've added all of our devices, we can start giving them network information. Over on the left side menu, click on Network Settings and then IP address. Here you're going to see a list of all of your different stations. To the right of that list, you're going to see all of your different IP options for each station, including IP version, static or DHCP options, IP address, subnet mask, and your default gateway. If you have a lot of stations in your system, we can use our batch IP address configuration to assign all of them simultaneously. Here we can pick a starting IP, subnet mask, and default gateway, and it will increment all of this information to every station you select. If you have an IXGW TGW in your system, we have to set some special settings since it's connecting to the internet. For your TGW, it needs a default gateway as well as a primary and secondary DNS server. It's also important to keep in mind that if you want to utilize NTP on any of your other iPhone devices in your system, they will also need a default gateway and primary and secondary DNS server set. To enable NTP for your stations, go to Network Settings on the left side, then select NTP. Here you can enable the setting as well as put in the specific NTP server you want to pull that information from. If we're wanting to set unique names for any of our individual stations or mobile apps, we can navigate to the side menu and go to Station Information Identification. Here we can set both a unique name as well as a unique station number for each individual device. Now we need to send all of this IP information to our devices. Up at the top of the support tool, click Connections and then Association Settings. Here in the Association menu, you're going to see three different windows. We have our Station Setting List, Station List, and Associated Station List. The Station Setting List is going to represent the settings that we have just now set on all of our devices during our programming. The Station List is going to be a search on your network of any iPhone devices the support tool was able to find. The Associated Stations list is going to show you any stations that have already been associated through the support tool and have received their IP information. If you don't see any stations appearing in your station list in the middle, it could be that the support tool is using the wrong network adapter. In the top left-hand corner, if we click File and then IXG Support Tool Settings, we can see the exact network adapter the support tool is trying to use. Make sure that you're using an Ethernet adapter here that is connected to the same switch as the devices you're trying to program. Now we'll start sending IP information to these devices. Up in the Station Settings list, select the settings that we want to send. Then in the station list in the middle, pick the device that the support tool found on the network that we want to send those above settings to. Once you have selected both of those options, click the Apply button in the bottom left-hand corner. This will send all of those IP settings to that device. After associating a station, it's going to reboot. This may take up to several minutes before it becomes available again. It's also important to keep in mind that the association process is only sending IP information to these devices. No programming information has yet been sent to any of them.